Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to see regarding the Galaxy Watch 4 watch. Now officially WhatsApp got released in this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now WhatsApp is available in Galaxy Watch 4 Play Store also, especially for beta users. Just note this point for beta users. Now WhatsApp officially got released. I already joined in beta program in Google Play Store for WhatsApp. Now it's time to install it app. Let's come on guys. We can install it that WhatsApp in this smartwatch, and let's see how was it. Let's first go to Google Play Store in your smartwatch and then type what's WhatsApp is available. Okay, now before installing, you need to connect both your mobile phone and then your smartwatch via Bluetooth. You need to connect. Okay, now it's time to install it up. Now here you can see now it's downloading. We need to wait. This watch is currently running in my Wi-Fi network. Now it's time to installing. It's installing guys, just you need to wait. And guys, remember before installing it up, you need to connect this both the smartwatch and your mobile phone together via Bluetooth. And guys, and another thing I forgot to tell, after connecting both the devices, now you should log in your Google Play Store with same account which you are using a WhatsApp beta version. You need to log in with the same Google account in Google Play Store, or else it will not show this WhatsApp Messenger in your smartwatch in Google Play Store. Just make sure you need to sign in with same account to both the smartphone as well as your smartwatch, which it is having a beta program version WhatsApp. Okay guys, now it's installing. Just please wait. And guys, here you can see now we have successfully installed WhatsApp. Now okay, we can open it up directly, or else we can see in here you can see now we have installed WhatsApp. It currently available in your watch homepage itself guys. It's time to launch. Just also open WhatsApp. Here you can see it's asking to continue on phone, and here you can see the pop-up will automatically trigger in your mobile phone which you have connected with the smartwatch. You need to enter a code. Here you can see it's asking Wear OS devices attempting to link to your WhatsApp account. Let's click to confirm, because this watch is running on Wear OS made by Google. Okay, now it's time to enter the code NSNBSF7R. Okay, it's logging in. Okay, now here you can see the chats are loading, and another side in your smartphone, here you can see now Wear OS device is successfully linked with WhatsApp, because this is currently running in Wear OS by Google. Okay, chats are loading, just please wait. And guys, here you can see now finally all chats were loaded. which it is currently in my WhatsApp. You can see these are all my WhatsApp contacts as well as my chats, and you can see these are all my contacts and chats of WhatsApp. Now chats are loaded successfully. Okay, for example, let's open one chat. You can see. Now let's type. Let's see how message is coming. Let's type message. Hi. Just click send, and here you can see the message came, guys. Hi. Here you can see the message came successfully. Hi. Here you can see that send symbol also it's displaying, which it is already saw. The blue tick is also visible. Okay, we can type the voice message. Hey, hello, hi, and all. Okay, just I'm sending a voice message from Galaxy Watch. Here you can see the voice message also came. We can hear how is it. Just increase volume. Okay. Hey, hello, hi, and all. Here you can see, guys, it's working very perfectly. There is no lag, there is no disturbance in voice messages. It's very crystal clear, guys. No issues. It's working fine. It looks very pretty cool, because WhatsApp in Galaxy Watch 4, and this watch is also just like a mini smartphone only. Like this, you can chat and do a voice message, guys. I think currently there is no voice call in WhatsApp in watch version Galaxy Watch version. I think so. Only we can send chat as well as voice recording we can send, guys. And regarding this, that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely reply. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Let's bye. See you in next video.